In today's digital landscape, data is crucial for every organization. Protecting this data is essential for business continuity. Database management systems or DBMS offer various backup and recovery techniques. These methods safeguard data against loss or corruption. Backup is the process of creating data copies for restoration. Recovery brings back data after loss or corruption. Understanding these concepts is the first step toward effective management. Data loss can occur due to hardware failure, cyber attacks, or disasters. The impact can include financial loss and tarnished reputations. Implementing solid backup and recovery strategies ensures business continuity and regulatory compliance. There are different backup types: full, incremental, differential, and transaction log backups. Full backups capture all data, while incremental backups save only changes since the last backup. Differential backups capture data since the last full backup, simplifying restoration. Transaction log backups record all transactions since the last log backup. DBMS platforms offer various tools. For Oracle, RMN automates the backup process. Microsoft SQL Server uses SSMS for built-in backup capabilities. MySQL has MySQL dump for logical backups, and PostgreSQL employs pgdump for efficient recovery. In case of data loss, recovery techniques like point-in-time recovery and media recovery come into play. It's essential to adhere to best practices like regular testing and off-site storage to safeguard data. Understanding backup and recovery techniques can help organizations thrive. Take action now to implement robust backup strategies. Your data's safety depends on it.